This was Nazareth. Israel's Arab citizens have forced themselves back into the wider conflict that includes Gaza and Jerusalem. It's ugly and angry in towns shared by Jews and Arabs. Violence between citizens could be a bigger crisis for Israel than Gaza. This was a burnt-out Jewish school. Police broke down the door of the Mahamid family in Haifa. They deny accusations their sons were attacking Jews. The police say their officers behaved correctly. The father, Sheikh Awad, the imam of a mosque, and his two sons were arrested for attacking police officers. The woman who filmed this said they're scared not of Jews, but of racist police. A local rabbi visited, she said, to apologize. In Gaza, they buried 13-year-old Mahmoud Tolba. He was hit during an Israeli airstrike while he waited for a new haircut to celebrate the end of Ramadan. Half of Gaza's 2 million Palestinians are children. This is Mahmoud's brother. In the occupied territories and in Israel, events this week have exposed once again the mutual hatred and fear that are the essence of this conflict. This was Hebron during a day of protests on the occupied West Bank. More Palestinians were killed. In Jerusalem, Palestinians pelted Jewish settlers with stones and fireworks. The settlers hit back with live bullets. This was Sheikh Jarrah, where attempts to evict Palestinians from their homes helped start the escalation to war. The conflict crosses borders. In Jordan, the country next door, security forces kept protesters back from the frontier. Palestinians make up more than half the Jordanian population, mostly refugees from past wars not permitted to return by Israel. History never dies in this conflict. People do.